Good evening, students. I hope you all are fine. So, in previous class, we have finished up to page number 15. So, today we are going to start from here. What is the three terms? Cavities, tooth decay, and plaque. Now, what is cavities? The acid gradually damages the teeth and results in cavities. When the acid gradually damages our teeth, that time it is forming cavities are formed. This is the first step. After that, it is called tooth decay. Bacteria grows faster on sweet sugary products. So bacteria, whenever we eat something sweet or sugary products, we must wash our mouth very properly. Otherwise, bacteria are working on it and bacteria are affecting our teeth. Sometimes bacteria, food particles, and saliva form a thick layer on the surface of the teeth, which is called plaque. So sometimes you will see that bacteria, food particles, saliva form a thick layer, or you can say that hard substance, little bit brown in color. It is forming inside our teeth, means not upper, that forming the layer outside of our teeth. That is called plaque. After that, tongue is there. The tongue is a fleshy muscular organ present in our mouth that is free at the front but attached at the back to the floor. The second part is tongue. The tongue is a fleshy muscular organ. Tongue helps us to take taste of the food, or it also helps us to swallow the food. Now, but attached at the back to the floor of buccal cavity, the tongue helps to mix saliva with the food, detect different kinds of taste through the taste buds, and to swallow food. Now, what the tongue helps? Tongue helps to mix saliva with the food, detect different kinds of taste through the taste buds, and to swallow food. Now next part is digestion, to convert food into usable form. The mouth, stomach, and the small intestines. The three parts from where the food goes through to our to convert food into usable form. So what are the parts? Mouth. First, mouth. What is the function of mouth? With the help of mouth, we take the food inside our mouth. After that, stomach. So after that, it our tongue helps the food to move to the stomach and small intestine. After that, that undigested, that little digested food goes to small intestine, then to large intestine, are involved in the process of digestion. Digestion begins in the mouth, the salivary glands present in the mouth. Now, digestion begins in the mouth. So, first of all, the digestion starts from the mouth. The salivary glands present in the mouth continuously secrete saliva. Now, what saliva? In Bengali, it is called lala. The primary function of saliva is to make the food moist, norum. We mean that the function of saliva is to make the food moist. The saliva also contains digestive enzymes that break down starch present in the food to sugar. Now, that saliva also contains some secretive juices, or you can say that acids, which helps the food to break into sugar or starch. After that, we are coming to oesophagus. What is oesophagus? From the mouth, the food passes into the oesophagus. Now, from the mouth, it goes to oesophagus or food pipe. The other name of food pipe is the oesophagus, or we can say food pipe, and finally reaches the stomach. The walls of the oesophagus relax and contract repeatedly to push the food down. Now, what is the function of the oesophagus? The walls of the oesophagus means that throat, from where the food goes to the food pipe, from where the food goes to the stomach. It always contracts like this. It contracts and relax, contracts and relax. After that, it is doing that. It helps the food to go to the stomach to push the food down. The type of movement is called peristalsis. What is that movement? That relaxing and contracting. That movement is known as peristalsis or peristaltic movement. No digestion takes place in the oesophagus. Before it goes to the stomach, we cannot say that oesophagus helps us to digest a food. So no digestion takes place in oesophagus. Now, number 2 is stomach. The stomach is a U-shaped muscular organ present in the upper abdomen. The inner walls of the stomach secrete digestive juice, mucus, and hyaluronic acid. Now, inner walls of the stomach secrete digestive juice, mucus, and hyaluronic acid. The digestive juices break down proteins into simpler forms, while the hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria present in food and provides an acidic medium for the action of digestive juices. Now, what's the function of hydrochloric acid? Hydrochloric acid, the digestive juice break down in proteins into simpler forms, while the hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria present in food. If any germs or bacteria present in the food, hydrochloric acid kills that bacteria and provides an acidic medium for the action of digestive juices. The mucus helps in protecting the stomach lining from the action of acids. The food is now partially digested and is in the form of a thick soup. So after the food is get digested, it is from a thick soup type structure. Now, small intestine. What is small intestine? The partially digested food goes into the highly coiled, about 7.5 meter long tube called the small intestine. Now, partially digested, what is the meaning of partially digested? Partially digested means some foods get digested and some foods remain undigested. That undigested food, that partially digested food goes to, means which foods get digested little bit, that food goes to small intestine. And the inner walls of the small intestine secrete intestinal juices that complete the digestion of various components of food. It also receives secretions from the liver and pancreas. The largest gland in the body, the liver secretes bile juice that is stored in the gallbladder. Now, what is the largest gland in the body? The liver secretes bile juice that is stored in the gallbladder until needed. Bile helps to break down fats. So, what is the function of the biles? Biles helps to break down fats. The pancreas secretes pancreatic juices that break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into simpler forms. Digestion is completed in the small intestine. Means all the digestion of food takes place in small intestine. Now, absorption. Before only I told absorption means tana, or again you can say chosha. Absorption of nutrients takes place in the small intestine. There are finger-like projections in the lining of small intestine called villi, singular villas. Villi increase the surface area, making absorption more efficient. Now, what is the function of villi? Villi increase the surface area, making absorption more efficient. It increases the surface area where the absorption is taking place. Villi have a network of blood vessels. The soluble food is absorbed by the villi and transported through the blood vessels to different parts of the body. Assimilation. The soluble food absorbed by the blood is transferred to different organs where it is utilized for building substances such as protein. This is called assimilations. In each cell of the body, the soluble food break down with the help of oxygen for producing energy. Now the soluble in each cell of the body, this soluble food is breaking down with the help of oxygen for producing energy, carbon dioxide, and water. Now today up to this we'll study. So you just study from here so that you can understand easily. Now if you got any queries about these terms, you just ask me in the WhatsApp group. So I'll give you some. So previously you have not submitted the homework. Please kindly submit the homework, and then tomorrow I'll give the homework on WhatsApp. Okay. So students, thank you very much. I hope we will continue the class. Thank you very much.